Welcome to Virgin Island, Bantayan. Ayan, kararating lang namin. Off to Bantayan Island from Hagnaya Port kami kanina. Santa Fe, Bantayan Port. Ayan, dito na kami. First time here in Bantayan Island. Let's enjoy. Welcome Santa Fe, Bantayan.
Rambo, nag-tricycle kami dito kasi yung bala ni nasa Hagnaya port lang ng San Remigio. So patungo na kami sa aming pension house and rent. Ayan, sundo namin to dito.
Hanapin ka ron sa Samal! Guys!
Pangala.
This is our hotel here, Adelaida Pension House here in Santa Fe, Bantayan. Yes, we're ready for island hopping. Island tour. Good afternoon, Bantayan Island.
Mga dagat.
Ang island tour kami today with Ma'am Honey. Yes.
And that bigla.
Yes. Excited na kami sa Kamsawi or Kampuagi. Yes. Bantayan Nature Park. Yan, first stop. Hi, welcome to Santo Niño Cave here in Bantayan. Yan. Oh, stalactites. Santo Niño Cave here in Bantayan. Ganda ng tubig po yan. Santo Niño. Santo Niño, thank you. Salamat Santo Niño. Namin diri sa imong cave. Thank you for the nice cave. Santo Niño Cave ng Bantayan Island. Nature Park. Nagagaling lang namin. Nature Park ng Bantayan. St. Peter and Paul Church here at Bantayan Island. Good morning. Breakfast muna kami. Off time before going to Virgin Island. Welcome to Virgin Island, Bantayan. Ayan, kararating lang namin. Wow, ito yung sand nila. Medyo creamy siya. Ayan. It's Pamela here, the daughter of my BFF Irene. So this is Virgin Island. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Very nice place. Ayan. Dati-dati napanood ko lang to sa TV. This time, andito na ako. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you for letting us to be here. Yes, kahapon nasa Kamsawi kami kung saan nag-shoot sila RC Muñoz ng Kamsawi sa ruins. Ayan, na-enjoy talaga namin. From Simala, na-bless na ito ng Reverend Father, officiating priest ng Mass during the Mass. Ayan, mga rosary, bracelet rosary, at saka lana. Ayan, rep magnet, scapular, and then keychain. Ayan. Ito namang dream catcher, nabili ko sa Cota Beach, sa may Santa Fe, Bantayan. Ang nagbebenta nito, bata lang, elementary siguro yun siya, sa Camp Wagi sa Eco Mangrove Farm dun sa Camp Wagi and Camp Sawi kung saan shoot yung Camp Wagi ni RC Munoz. Ayan. Mga pasalubong from Camp Wagi. Viewing